Hey guys, Perth Right to Bear here. Today we're talking about the South Carolina Constitutional Carry Law, HB 3594. I've got some really key facts and some really good knowledge for us to understand. So whether you're carrying a gun, plan to carry a gun, whatever the case might be, we need to understand these laws. First and foremost, you still need to go and take a class. You still need that education. You still need to understand the respective state law here in South Carolina, where you can carry, where you can't carry, and ultimately these instructors are going to help educate you on exactly what's going on. The second one, if you want to carry across state lines, you still need a CWP. You still need to go and get that permit, and then you still need to understand what the state laws in the state that you're traveling are, right? So if you're in South Carolina, for example, and you want to go over to Georgia, you need to understand the Georgia state laws so you're not left with your shirt off, right? We don't want to just run around thinking, well, constitutional carry in South Carolina, I can do whatever I want. That's not the case. Still need to get a CWP to carry across state lines, and you still have to understand exactly what the state says in regards to your firearms. For example, South Carolina says 18 years old, you can carry without a permit, right? Well, that might not be the case in Georgia, which is also constitutional carry. They might have, there might be another state that you travel to that the requirement's 21. Therefore, that if you go into that state and you're under 21 and you have a firearm, in your car, you're breaking the law. So you really, really need to understand that. The next thing you have to understand in regards to the HB 3594 law here in South Carolina is a CWP is no longer required to possess a firearm on school property, but prior to entering the school property, the firearm must be placed in a closed box, console, or trunk. Can't just carry wherever you want. You have to understand where you can and cannot carry these weapons. Some of these other things, if caught carrying where you're not supposed to be, you're looking at potentially a felony and a $5,000 fine and potentially some time in jail. We do not want to do that. And then lastly, we'll finish this out. Any person who commits a crime involving a concealed weapon must be in prison not to exceed 3 years. So again, like I just said, you're looking at potential 3 years, a fine. Understand your state laws. There's a big requirement when it comes with owning a firearm. Big responsibility on you, the people you love, the people around you, to understand not only the state laws in South Carolina with the new change, but then all across the country. And especially if you're going to carry across state lines, you got to know what you're looking at and the legalities of carrying in that respective state. Take care, and we'll talk soon.